What you say, YouTube? So, hey, today, guys, I am just going to do like a little recap, do a little vlog as far as everything that to catch everybody up on what CJ the Cigar Man has been doing. We have been, basically doing a lot of stuff, guys, with my videos. I hope you guys have been enjoying all the content. Every day is almost like it's just never ending, and like I was saying in a previous video last week, that I never really knew how busy I was until once I started recording everything. But and that's cool. That's the thing about YouTube, man. I've been filming stuff just pretty much every day as far as my everyday life, But I just want to catch you guys up on a few things that's coming up on the future. And actually, we have we have a big race here as well in Bristol this week. It's actually in Bristol, Tennessee at the Motor Mile. So before I head to work, I'm gonna ride by there and see how everything is looking down there. I know the town was kind of leery about having open the town up to 30-something thousand people, because as of right now we only have, like I said, maybe 8 to 10 known cases of the COVID-19. Now, from my understanding, I have friends in the medical department and stuff. From my understanding, they said that there's people that's in a hospital that have symptoms of COVID, and said, but for some reason they're not announcing or whatever. But far as the cases that I know about, and that's been on the news media, whatever, or the newspaper, it's around 8 to 10 people in this area. So that's not very many considering the time that we're in right now, So I just really want to do a quick vlog and let you guys know what's going on. We're gonna run by the racetrack real quick, and I'm gonna let you guys, that's if people are out there, in camps. I know they wasn't supposed to let people have tents or camp out. You have to have a trailer or to, I guess a RV and stuff like that. So we're gonna go by there and stuff. But I also want to talk to you guys about the channel. So basically yesterday, you guys have watched episode 8 of the build of the 1962 Chevy pickup truck. I actually got some new exhaust and stuff, and hey, I'm telling you, man, it sounds beefy. Of course, I'm sure it's with the motor and all the mods I have with the motor as well. But those exhausts really do sound very good on the 62, man. I'm excited. I'm excited about it. And now, like I said, I got the bed on there now, as you guys saw. It's a truck, man. I mean, it is a truck, and you guys saw that process from day one. When I went, you guys saw me when I went and picked the truck up, and to where it's at now. And I tell you, it is amazing as far as the transformation that truck has went through. And the cool thing about it is that the Chevy crew, you guys was right there with me, all right? You guys was there from the beginning and stuff. And I tell you what, this, like I said to everybody, I have a small audience right now. So, and I want to appreciate, I do appreciate, and I want to thank the 100 subscribers that I have right now as of today and stuff. And I appreciate every last one of you. And whether I get 101 or 102 subscribers, we're going to continue making videos and have fun doing it, and communicating back and forth with you guys. I've gotten nothing but great positive feedback, and like I tell you guys, that's why I do it. Now, I know a few of you guys wasn't there from the beginning, but like I said, go back. There's only if you're just now tuning in, and don't let me forget, guys, hey, you guys know how I am. I get so much into talking about these cars, I forget to introduce myself. But hey, if you guys are new to the channel, You're watching Classic Chevy with CJ, the Cigar Man. And basically, this is where we do it ourselves, guys, okay? We do it ourselves, and we have fun doing it. So, just to let you guys know, if you have not looked at any of the other videos, okay, this one here is just going to be an intro video far as my tech video that I'm about to release tomorrow, okay? And it's going to be an awesome tech video, guys. I'm going to do a lot more of these videos. I really enjoyed doing this tech video that you guys are going to watch tomorrow. It's with the amp power steps, and I can tell that I'm getting better and better at making these videos, but whether I get better or not, I'm enjoying it. That's probably what it is. I'm not going to say I'm getting better at it, but I am enjoying making these videos for you guys, all right? So, and basically, it's about the GMC that we're driving right now. So you guys know, whatever vehicle I get and stuff, I'm going to do as much to it as I can, okay? That my wife will allow me to do anyway. So, and if we can sneak some stuff underneath there every now and then, hey, I'm with that as well. So, like I said, guys, if you are new to the channel, you only have to go back to watch 8 episodes to catch up, okay? First, the 1962 build, and go back and check those builds out and stuff so you guys can catch up with the rest of the Classic Chevy crew, so you guys can be on point. So I'm gonna turn you guys back on once we get down to the racetrack. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'll turn you guys back on once we get down to the racetrack, guys. All right, guys, so we're about to pull up. You guys see the beautiful mountains and stuff, the scenery we have up here in Bristol, guys. We're about to pull up here in a second. So I just go ahead and leave you guys on once we go over this hill here, and you'll start seeing the racetrack on your left-hand side. So, but anyway, like I was saying, that there are supposed to be like 30,000 people, and but I think they've only so far maybe sold 50% of the tickets, from my understanding. I'm glad that people are getting out and stuff. Long as, like I say, I have no problem with it, as long as people are being careful and safe, because I know a lot of people think it's conspiracy and this and that, but I look at it like there's still people dying, man. So, no, it's not. It's not too much going on. It's pretty dead around here. So I think pretty much everybody's headed out already, because the big race was yesterday. So, hey, like I said, man, they came and gone. It was only really 2 days. So that's one good thing about this track here, man, is that the very next day they're already cleaning this park up and stuff like that. So yeah, I guess everything went good last night, because I just thought about that too, is that the race was yesterday. The big race was yesterday, so they only did the what was it, the champion race or whatever. And so everybody else is just headed back. So that's good. So there ain't really nothing to see. There ain't nothing to see here. So I just thought maybe it'd be a lot of traffic heading out and stuff. So I'm not really sure how bad it was last night or anything like that. So, but that's good. Yeah, all right. So yeah, that's good. So pretty much everybody's already headed out, man. It must not have been that many people. I have to find out how many people actually showed up to Bristol yesterday, because the big race was yesterday, and but they're supposed to hit like 30,000 people, which I know they didn't come close to that. So, and like I said, as long as people are being careful and safe, which I think they are, plus where the racetrack is, I know a lot of people was concerned, that's in our area, was concerned about, oh, well, you bring 30,000 people in the area. But honestly, the racetrack is kind of like in the middle of the Tri-Cities. It's like Friars, Johnson City, and Bristol. It's a little closer to Bristol, but it's like right in the middle. So I think everything went good. I'm glad for it. But hey, as you guys know, I'm always looking for another project, man. And one of our family friends contacted my wife, and they basically got a '68 Lincoln Continental, man, one owner vehicle. He's a prominent guy around town, but the vehicle is in Knoxville, from my understanding. And this is one of the pictures. See if you guys can see that. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's one of the pictures there. That's the motor. But I tell you, man, just from looking at the pictures, it looked like this motor is like it's being in a dust bowl. Look at that baby there. Golly, boy, I'm telling you, I would love to have something like that. I want to go look at it. Because you guys already know I'm looking for a project. This thing here, hey, this baby got, those Continentals, man. They had suicide doors. Look at that there, man. Wow. Suicide doors. So that thing is nice, man. Well, it doesn't really look nice, but I love how those cars look from that period and those daggone Continentals. So and I already know what they, roughly what they want for it, but pictures, they don't tell you the real story. You know what I'm saying? So I actually like blew it up a little bit, and I don't know, they didn't show me a picture of the hood, because the hood is up, and it looks like there's sun coming through the hood, and so that means it's like a lot of holes and stuff, and I can't be dealing with that like that. My son wanted me to try to restore a sedan or something, but I'm looking for a truck, as you guys know. So, hey, I'm going to go ahead and cut you guys short, because like I said, I did not want this video to be too long. I just want to give you guys a heads up, and as far as what we've already done with the 1962 builds that we're doing now. And as of yesterday, we got 2 more episodes to watch, guys. I tell you, man, it's sad that it's going to come to an end, but hey, everything has to come to an end and stuff. So make sure you guys check out those videos. And also tomorrow around noontime, I will be dropping my tech review on my amp step sides that I will be putting on the 2018 GMC truck here. So check that video out, guys, and that's why I want to come and give you guys a heads up of what's going on. Okay, so hey, check the t-shirts out, man. Hey, smoke them if you got them. All right, hey, so you guys already know, if you got a good cigar, a fast car and truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. Cigar Man is out. I'll catch you on the next video.